What's up, everybody? So this is probably gonna be a short, but I'm gonna film a video of this like shortly after like 5 more videos. And no, I'm not gonna show you how to do. I'm gonna show you how to download this game if that video gets 5 likes, because actually 10 likes, 10 likes and 100 views, and I think I'll teach you how to download it. So this game has a bunch of mod menus. I think it has like 19 mod menus. Um, so cool. That's great. The only bad thing about this game is that it's only one player. So yeah. Hi. Yeah. Have I gosh, I still have this one. Have Modder X5. I don't know if they had the same thing. I don't think so. It's like yeah. And that's the long arms. Yeah. This will be the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye.